to repeat a song on SoundCloud. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, download the SoundCloud app on your device and open the app and make sure that you are logged into your SoundCloud account. Once logged in, tap on the search icon at the bottom center to find any of your favorite artist or song. You can also check your feed to discover new sounds recommended based on the artist you listen to frequently, songs you like, or general interaction on the app. Looping is a feature that lets you replay music you enjoy repeatedly. To enable the loop, you have to tap on the song and select the next op icon at the bottom just beneath the comment bar. This will show you your listening history and the songs that are playing next. In the top right corner, click on the loop icon twice. This locks the song and keeps it in a loop for as long as you want. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.